This video will review peak picking methods. Go to Process, Peak Picking, to launch the peak picking dialog. You will see a preview of the applied automatic peak picking settings displayed on the spectrum. For example, the current setting is at a 4% intensity, and the blue vertical lines represent peaks of that height. If you are happy with the peak picking, click Replace to accept the changes. And now my spectrum has been peak picked. You also have the ability to perform manual peak picking. I will click the Manual tab. To demonstrate manual peak picking, I'm going to zoom in to the upfield region. I'm going to delete these extra peaks that are undesirable for my spectrum. To do that, I'm clicking Delete on my keyboard. Click Replace to accept the changes. Now I want to re-add the peak at approximately 1.5 ppm. To peak pick, click anywhere on the peak bar. You may have noticed that the peak where I've clicked has now shown up in the manual peak picking table. Click Replace to accept the changes. I'm now done with my peak picking, so I will click Close to close the peak picking dialog. And my spectrum has been peak picked.